Hi guys and welcome to Car Flicks. Today we're going to be washing our Mercedes A-Class W176 with this new item that I found on the shelf.
Everybody, I've got homemade ice cold.
You certainly have, mate. Now we're going to be doing a video today on this stuff. This is called Triplewax Diamond Wash and Go, and I found this on the shelf in Asda. It was £2.24.
Yeah.
And the thing is, it claims on here that you don't need to do any manual drying at all. So being a dad with not much time, I thought, let's give it a go. So without further ado, let's crack on with the video. Right guys, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is using snow foam. I'll do another review with this snow foam on another video. The first thing I want to do is to just get this covered in snow foam, get all the dirt off, and then it'll help me when I do the wash, okay? So without further ado, let's crack on with it. Right guys, so we've done the snow foam. We're going to leave it for about 5 minutes just to pull all that grime off, and then we're going to go around and rinse it with clean water. Right guys, this said add 2 capfuls of liquid gold to 10 litres bucket of clean warm water. But the problem is, I think it's just a squeezy. So I think what we're going to have to do is take the cap off, which is pretty pointless really, and then add 2 to the actual bucket like this. 1, 2, like so. Right guys, so all the bubbles are off the car that we just used for the snow foam, so it's now safe to proceed and put the new mixture into use. So warm water, bucket and sponge like it suggested. I'm going to crack on working from the roof down. Another little pointer guys, I use one of these grit guards, and I'll show you the reason why. I've just been tipping it out and look at all the sediment that's come out of there. So another top tip is use one of these, highly recommended. Right guys, so I've washed it. It took me a little bit longer because it's done about 1,000 miles without a wash, but now we're going to rinse all that soap off and we'll see if it's going to dry. It's the perfect day for it. There's no sun, there's a nice wind, so this really should work. Right, so the car's completely soaking wet through now, so all we got to do is wait. Like I say, it's an overcast day, which is brilliant for washing cars. Just got to let it dry naturally, as it says on the tin. So let's wait and see what happens. Right guys, so this is the end result, and I have to say I'm absolutely gobsmacked. It's actually worked. The shine is awesome. I can't get over that. I haven't put a chamois on this at all anywhere, and the shine is amazing. And true to what it says, I can't see any watermarks on this car anywhere.
Yay!
It is just amazing. So I must say I'm really impressed. Now the only thing I can put it down for is on the windows. If we come up to the windows, there are spot marks there. But if you look at the paint, there's actually no watermarks on it. I don't know what the heck they put in this, but it's actually worked. And I'm actually going to use this because it saves me loads of time being a dad, not having to dry this thing.
Yeah.
So it's awesome.
Yes.
Right guys, so it worked and I'm really impressed with this stuff. So I can highly recommend this Triplewax Wash and Go Liquid Gold Spot Free. It actually does work. Alright, it doesn't work on the windows, but it does a bloody good job of the paintwork, and will save me a lot of time cleaning our cars.
Yeah.
So what do you think, Grayson? Do you think this is a thumbs up?
Yeah, thumbs up.
Thumbs up. So get yourself down to Asda or any other shop. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. Buy yourself some of this.
And you can go to other shops.
You go to other shops too. £2.24, absolute bargain, and it'll save you at least 20 minutes. So until the next time, guys, thanks for watching. Please consider liking, subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Not here. Over there.